Keeping your information up to date is crucial for secure and reliable banking. In this video, we'll walk you through, step by step, how to easily change your address using the Nationwide mobile app. First, open the Nationwide app on your smartphone and log in using your usual credentials, your username and password, or whatever security you have set up. You'll want to make sure you have a stable internet connection before you start. Once you are logged in, look for the menu or settings option. This is usually represented by 3 lines. In the top left or right corner, tap on it to access the menu. The menu should offer you a variety of options. Within the menu, look for a section labeled My Details or something similar that suggests your personal information. Tap this option to view your profile information. On the My Details screen, you should see your current address listed. Tap anywhere that says address or contact details. You may need to scroll down to find it. Now, you should have the option to edit that information. The app may now ask you to confirm your identity for security reasons by sending a code via SMS or email. Check the email or your messages for the code and then enter it into the app when prompted. Carefully enter your new address details, your new house number, street name, any apartment number, the town, county, and postcode will be needed. Double check everything is correct before proceeding. Once you've filled in your updated information, tap the button to save changes or update address. Congratulations, your address has been successfully updated. In the Nationwide app, you may receive a confirmation message from Nationwide. Remember to allow a few days for any changes to reflect in your statements and other official communications, and that's all there is to it. Stay connected to Nationwide for all your banking needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.